creamy garlic butter chicken and potatoes that is so easy to do. We're starting with some chicken thighs and we're going to season them with pepper, garlic, onion, Go ahead and mix those together and season your chicken very generously with your spices. Rub the spices on the chicken and we're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Part of the chicken. Next, cover the chicken with back and let them marinate for at least 1 hour to absorb all of those amazing flavors. So while the chicken is marinating, we're going to cut up some potatoes. I am using red and yellow Go ahead and toss everything together and we're going to partially bake the potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And the reason is so we don't end up with raw potatoes when we have So by this time, the chicken should be done marinating. We're going to sear them. So in a hot skillet, go ahead and drizzle some olive oil. Grab your chicken and sear them same side down on medium heat. Searing the meat gives them extra flavor and beautiful color like that. Once searing is done and looking beautiful, remove the chicken from the pan, and in the same pan, we're going to saute some spinach. Sauce, so melt some butter in the same pan. Once that is melted, add some minced garlic and cook for about a minute until the garlic gets fragrant. Careful not to burn the garlic. We're also adding flour, which is going to be for about a minute just to see how that flour tastes. Then we're going to add some chicken broth. We're going to let the sauce cook and thicken just like that. Good. And we're adding whole milk and heavy cream to make the sauce nice and creamy. Next, we're adding some cubes together with some fresh parsley and fresh basil to boost the flavor. Mix everything together and cook this for about a minute to let all the So by this time, the potatoes should be partially baked out of the oven. We're going to place the chicken thighs on top of the potatoes. Go ahead and add your sauteed spinach. Just randomly place them in between. Next, I'm going to pour the sauce on the potatoes, and this is going into a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven and the potatoes are fully cooked through, okay? And here it is out of the oven. This is one big pan of hot, check the description box.